In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a notebook in OneNote. If you've ever wanted to remove a notebook from your OneNote app because you no longer need to see it, this walkthrough is for you. In OneNote, the action you take inside the app is to close a notebook, which removes it from your list on that device. This doesn't erase the content from the cloud or your hard drive. It simply gets it out of your way in the app. Think of it as tidying your workspace without throwing anything away. Start by opening the OneNote app on your computer. Give it a moment to load your notebooks and make sure you're signed in to the correct account you use for that notebook. You should see your notebooks listed in the sidebar or in the notebooks dropdown, depending on your version. If you don't see the list, look for the Notebooks button or the navigation pane to reveal it. Next, move your mouse over the notebook you want to remove from your view. As you hover over its name, you'll usually notice it becomes highlighted or shows a small menu indicator confirming you're targeting the right one. Take a second to confirm it's the correct notebook, especially if several have similar names or are shared with others. Now, right-click on that notebook. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. On a Mac, a control click also opens the same menu. This brings up a contextual menu with options that apply specifically to that notebook. From the menu, click Close. This notebook. The notebook will disappear from your list immediately. That's it. Your workspace is now cleaner. Remember, this doesn't permanently delete any content. The notebook still exists in its original location, whether that's your OneDrive, SharePoint, or local drive, and anyone who had access before still has it. You've simply removed it from your OneNote app on this device. If you realize you closed the wrong notebook, don't worry. You can always add it back later from wherever it's stored. Closing a notebook is a safe, reversible way to keep your OneNote organized without risking data loss. A quick tip before we wrap up: if the notebook is shared with a team, let others know you're closing it on your device so they understand you're just tidying your workspace, not removing their access. Repeat the same process for any other notebooks you'd like to close, and enjoy a more focused, uncluttered OneNote experience.